Hello, in this video I will try to explain how the dashboard's menu works. First, turn off the car. Okay. So using the left arrows you can toggle to the menu. So this one is for showing the battery and how the flux goes from the engine to the battery and the other way. And when you are in this menu you have to choose those arrows. Here you'll see how the traction works. Let's put it into gear. Okay, but this option is only available for 4x4 models like this one. And the last option here show you the distance that you drive. Okay, then going to the next option. Here it's lane assist. In order to enter in those menus you have to hold the OK button. So steering assist, sensitivity, sway warning, and in order to go back click this arrow. Next, this one is for collision. This is for Partronic, and this one is for sign recognition. Let's go back. Okay, and here in this menu you can see the average, because on the hybrid it's quite difficult to show the instant fuel consumption since the engine turns on and off. This is the eco zone. It will show you a score, depends on your driving mode. Okay, this is the radio. If you are switching on other let's say Bluetooth, and you'll see here the menu that you're playing. And if you want to change the way that this the dashboard is displayed, first let's see what's here in vehicle settings. Here you can reset the tire pressures, the sensor, and switch the seat reminder, back seat. And the most important things are here in settings. Here you can change the language. Okay, units for the fuel consumption. Here if you want to turn off the EV sign. Trip summary, pop-up display if you want to see those notifications on the display. And let's go here. Here you can change from analog like it's now, and or digital. You can do this change only when the vehicle is stopped, not while it runs. Let's see how it shows. See on the top side you'll see the kilometers, sign recognition, some message if you have a message on your phone, and so on. That's all.